Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the currency on your YouTube channel on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to a shortcut on the toolbar to get to YouTube Studio, or we can physically type and click YouTube Studio. Make sure you sign into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar. Go all the way to the bottom where we see settings. Click on this. General currency, change from US dollars to pounds. British pound. Save. And now once the channel is monetized, all the currency will be in British pounds. That is located in analytics. There will be a section called revenue. You can go to revenue and see all the revenue being generated for all the videos once they are monetized. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.